Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to make Minion Cupcake. So I'm using this mold, and this is the base color that I'm using, the light blue color. I'm going to place it in the mold. It's time to cut the excess clay. For face, I'm using this yellow color and I'm making it into a dome shape. I'm going to place this head on the cupcake. Next we are using is this grey clay, and I'm going to roll it into a snake. Keep rolling. I'm using this white clay, and this is going to be our eyes. Next step is to cut it into a circle. Next we are going to cover the edge of the eyes with grey color. And here your eyes are ready. So I'm using this red color for the eyeball. So I'm going to cut it into the equal size and then roll it into a circle and place it carefully. It's time to place the eyes on the head. So just be patient while doing it. I'm going to roll the black color, and this is going to be the hair of a minion.
So here my minion is completed, and you can bake it as per the instructions given in your packet.
If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.